real shallow bars, and that so far it's not looking like they're going to be here. They might be up the river more.
We're trying to get some mullet for some sharks. A live mullet. Little finger mullet.
Okay, so we made it out on the river. Kind of busy out here. It's on a Sunday, Memorial Day weekend, but we are after something you wouldn't think, most people wouldn't think, are going to be in this river. Everyone knows there's giant alligators that live in this river, but we're after another predator. Actually,
Almost as dangerous too.
Maybe more. But most of the sharks, we're after bull sharks, are going to be around the 4-foot range. We'll explain to you why these small sharks come up in this area. We're about 12 to 15 miles from saltwater. These bull sharks actually come up in this freshwater, and that's what we're targeting today. But first, we got to go catch some bait. So let's see if we can get some right now.
Hey, that's a nice net. Did you get him? Boy, you better run. Like, don't even...
About to show you what some mullet look like.
Gotta get the bucket.
Oh my gosh. The first cast?
A lot of them got out too.
Oh, there's a hole right there. Probably a gator hole.
Here, just dump it. Dump it right there.
Look at this.
Oh,
Oh dear. Oh goodness.
Remove the bowl. These things are better than bait than golden shiners.
We found the bait.
Heck yes.
Alright, turn that bubbler on, boy.
This is $100 with the bait right here. This.
the legend of the river.
That's right.
Yep.
Get some more mullet or what?
Yeah, a ton of them.
Heck yeah.
I'll let you know if that's
That big shark y'all catch.
Oh yeah.
a picture.
Somebody needs to show me how to do it.
Live action. Shark bait, at least for top water. Things are everywhere here, right here in the flowers. Now it's time to go catch a shark. Hopefully a keeper. Bull shark. That's talking now. Okay, here's the setup. We got a little ugly stick, a favorite fishing old salty rod, reel, my bad. We got a circle hook, a little short thing of wire, swivel, leader, and that's our setup right there. We're gonna see who could catch some of those sharks today. The mini rod or the big rod.
What do you guys think? We're not targeting big sharks today, and I'll explain to you why these sharks are up in this river and why a bull shark can actually survive up in this river. So a bull shark can actually has a kidney function that it can actually process this fresh water. So essentially it's flushing that fresh water. So they're actually going to the bathroom 15 more times than they normally would in the salt water so they can process that fresh water and actually survive in here. No one actually knows 100% why these sharks come up in the rivers. What they think is actually because this time of year is actually tarpon season for us. There's a ton of big sharks out in the bays, offshore. So these smaller sharks will actually come up in here, just like the smaller fish come in these estuaries and they can survive. There's stuff for them to eat and they're not gonna get ate. So that's the logic of why these sharks are found up in here. And actually some of the big sharks will come up in here and have their pups so they can actually survive. But these are our setups. See if I can't show you guys one of these baits up close. This is what we're gonna be using. This is a finger mullet.
Best bait for sharks in a river, we think. Or
So we
chopped
actually
tilapia.
came up to in here the other day. We were fishing with these, trying to catch some snook or tarpon, which are also found in this area. And we kept getting broke off. So we are back
with
with
the
a
big
vengeance.
gun.
They're not getting away today.
Not today.
So we pulled in this little area right here so you guys can actually hear us talk. It's super windy today, and where we're actually going to be fishing is under a bridge. It's going to be super noisy, so we're going to head there right now and go see if we can hook up. We'll see you there. All right, so Cam's captain now. Cruising out. He's actually got his boater's license, so legally he is allowed to drive the boat. This is a perfect boat for him to learn on how to operate and be safe doing it. So normally we're fishing out of a 22-foot boat. As you can tell, we're a little packed in here. We got all our gear and stuff, so this might get interesting when we hook up on a shark.
Yeah, it's gonna tip the whole boat.
About to show you guys the secret chum here. They sell this for human consumption. I'm gonna tell you what, look at this stuff. I would not eat that. But, do a little dabble in the water. That'll get them sharks coming. We'll have another one on here in a couple minutes.
Old Minnie.
You see it right there?
He was right there. That's a big shark.
Yep.
Got him. Oh,
I was reeling it up and he had my bait.
sharks are stinking infested off this bridge. Oh, this is a good one. Woohoo! I'm not even fighting him. He's just swimming.
Under the boat.
Yeah! Got us!
Oh, I got him!
I'm Minnie. One year.
All right, how long we been here?
5 minutes.
That's how many sharks are in this river.
Hank,
Check them out.
you're using too big of a bait, buddy. But it's just so easy. I mean, look, the pole's not even as tall as me.
All right, let's get them unhooked and get a picture with them, and we'll let them go.
What is that, Cam?
A bullshark.
Nice. Look at that. Nice work, boys.
Everything will eat you in here.
It was right there.
It's too easy. I mean, literally, bait's under 5 foot from the boat.
He ate it at the boat.
I'll get the net.
Nice work, gentlemen.
You can catch these suckers on a bare hook. Oh, you bent my lead.
Woohoo.
So, I literally had my bait a foot from the boat, and this guy came up and ate it. We just had a problem. We realized that we put our bait in salt water and didn't have time to adjust, so all our bait died. But we still ate it. Dead bait. Let him go. These things are actually known to eat jet steers.